Welcome back. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a clothing try on haul. The company that I'm collaborating with today, they are called Lookbook Store and also GRAPENT. You can find these companies on Amazon. Also, I'm going to be leaving their link to every item that I'm going to be featuring today in the description box. All right. Also, I would like to let you know most of these items I'm going to be featuring today are items that you can actually use, or are clothing that you can actually use to transition into the new weather that we're going into, you know, from summer to fall. Also, I think you can actually transition into winter with some of them. Alright ladies, so I'm going to be dropping every link in the description box. Please do not forget to check them out. Alright, Lookbook Store and GRAPENT. Alright, I'll be telling you how the quality of this product are, the size that I'm putting on, and all that good stuff, you know, for you to be able to get good information about this product. And as usual, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. If you like my content, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you like my African accent or you just love my personality, please do consider subscribing. All right, and do turn on the notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. Please do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into this video.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be.
So these are the products there that I received, and these are what I'm going to be featuring. So it might take a little while, but I'll find a way to make it not too long, also to make it more fun and not boring for you ladies to watch. All right, so we're going to start with the first bag. I already opened these, but of course I didn't bring them out the way they were. Yeah, and so I'm going to tell you how the product feels, the size, and then try them on for you today. So the first item that I'm going to be featuring is these two sets, leopard prints loungewear. You could use it to go shopping if you want, but I feel like it's going to be very suitable for you to just wear on those comfy days that you don't really want to dress up and you just want to quickly go on an errand, or you just want to stay at home and look cute. All right, this is size small, and this is a leopard prints. You can see it. This is color of the leopard is like a blush color. It's not pink, it's blush, like a neutral kind of a pink. They have different colors of this, and they have different sizes. This is size small, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this one and let you all see how this look on.
No, I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a girl that can't get no love from me. Sitting in the passenger side of her best friend's ride, try to holler at me.
Baby girl, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. Tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. You see it in my dreams.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
I love cheap grills.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
I love cheap grills. So rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you, rockabye, baby. Don't you cry, no.
Well, woman,
Here is the second one. This is Cardigan. Like I said, you know, I told you that there are things that you can just use to transition into the new weather that we're going into. This is how this is looking. You all can see it. I'm gonna try it on for you ladies to see, but I just wanted to talk a little bit about it. It's very thick. I believe it's gonna really it's gonna keep you warm for, you know, when it's fall. You know, fall we only have a little bit of, it's gonna be a little bit chill. It's not like winter that you're gonna need an heavy coat, but this one you can easily use it for the fall, you know, to transition into winter. And it has two pockets right here, one at the front, at the side, and the other one here, and it has this beautiful button. The button is so beautiful. Look at that, and the quality feels so amazing. It's stretchy, and this is size small.
the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm.
So please have mercy on me and take it easy on my heart.
Like controller. 'Cause
all we need is somebody to lead on.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my
laying on the sofa. 'Cause I've been up.
This is the next item. I believe this is the fleece denim jackets, and you are gonna see it. Like I said, this is size small as well. Oh my god, this is gonna keep you warm. It's so, like, it's heavy. Like, you can tell that this will keep you warm. It has fleece in it. That's why they call it fleece denim jacket. The quality is amazing, ladies, and it stretches a little bit. This is size small. It has the buttons all the way down. It has two pockets. They are not functional, but they're just there for design. All right, right there. And inside it we have the fleece, which is supposed to keep you warm. Let me go ahead and open it all the way so you can see it, how this is going to keep you warm. You can actually wear this during the winter time too. Look at that. Look at that. So you don't worry, you're going to see how they're going to look on me. All right, because I actually want to let you see everything. And it has that design, you see, it's long sleeve. It has a button right here, and also at the front the fleece is all the way to the inside, also at the, look at that.
Up all night, no sleep, 'cause I feel like I'm always dreaming.
Who do you love? And are you sure?
'Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven.
If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me? Just forget the world.
So wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on.
And this is the next item. I think this is a dress. Yes, this is a dress. Look at how beautiful it is. It is a bell sleeve dress. It has this organza material there that you can see through. It has it on the other side too. It's a round neck, and it's a loose dress. It's called tunic dress, like that. It's not, it's called it's a simple dress. It's absolutely beautiful. We also have the organza material, see through at the design, at the tip, at the end of it. I'm going to be trying all this for you to see. This is also size small.
Like a yo-yo.
Jealousy turning saints into the sea, but it's just the price of fate. Destiny is calling me. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now I bet you smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
The next one, this is a Plaid loungewear set, which I am loving because of the color. Look at that. It's so thick. Like, it feels so good. Like, it's gonna keep you warm. Like, you could wear this to just go to the store during the fall. You know, you could use it to sit at home if that's your preference. This is size small, and the color is so beautiful. It's red and black. It's made in jogger style, jogger pant style. You can see the elastic band at the end of it. This is size small. They have different sizes on their websites. Like I said, I'll put a link, and it has a pockets which are very functional. They are not just there for decoration. You see, you can put my hand through it. The top, we have the Plaid design. They use it for the pockets, and that is it. So simple, round neck, and it stretches as well. This is size small, like I said, and it's long sleeve. You are going to see it when I try it on. Now ladies, we are going to go into the second bag. So actually I pick a lot of lounge sets, because during the winter time and fall, during the fall winter, I like to wear loungewear, lounge sets. I like to wear them a lot, especially when I come back from work, you know, just sit down and just be calm, cool and collected. This is also Plaid lounge set. This is in white and black. This is size small as well. You can actually wear this under your jacket, under your t-shirt when it's very cold, like this material, to keep you warm. You wear it under it and put your t-shirt on top of it, you know, your short sleeve t-shirt. You understand what I mean? You know, just to keep you warm. Also, this is the bottom. It's jogger set style. This is size small. This is not as thick as the other plate, the red and black. That's why I'm suggesting that you can actually wear this under, even under a baggy jean, like if you want to keep yourself very warm, depending on the area where you live. This feels a little bit lighter, so you could just wear this under your shirt. You use it to dress up, you know. Imagine wearing this and you put on a white t-shirt on top of it. This will reveal at the hand and it still go with the white, you know, and you put on your black boots and you're good to go. And this will keep your hand warm, so you can still wear your t-shirts during the fall, the winter time, with styling it with this. So that's just the idea behind this. That's the way I would rock it if I don't want to do the two sets together. You know, like I said, I like to wear lounge sets during the fall time. When I come back from work, these are the things I would just want to put on and just sit down and sip my chocolates, hot chocolate, watching TV, or you know, Netflix and all that good stuff. This is a, oh wow, this is a coat that you could wear to the office. You could use it to style your jeans. Look at the hardwares on it. They are silver. You see, they are so beautiful. They are everywhere, like from the front to the back, and it has another clip here, another button that you could use like to style it, to put it together. I'm going to open it. So yeah, so this is how this is looking. This is office coat. You could wear it casual, you could dress it up depending on you. This is blue. I love to wear blue coats. That's why I chose this. When they reached out to me, I decided to choose this. They have different colors, and this is size small. It does have a pocket here and very functional. You can put your hand through it. It's not just there for decoration. It has another one here. You can put your hand through it, and it does have extra button just in case you know one of the buttons just accidentally fell out or something happened to it. So you have a replacement button right here. Like I said, it's size small and it's lined inside of it. It feels like it feels very good, like quality, like the quality is amazing, not just the way you're seeing it. I mean, let me just pop in this. I'm still going to let you all see it, you know, to see how it looks, but I just feel like popping it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at how beautiful it is, and it fits perfectly. It has shoulder pad, but very light, which I like. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's just appropriate for the style, for the material as well. And it's long sleeve. You can see blue symbolize royal, so I chose I chose it. Like, I call myself Demi Royal on Facebook, so that is it. Look at that. This is the next one. This is also a casual, you know, office blazer. This is in black, plain black. This is how the front is looking. This is in size small as well. It does have this hook here that you could use to, you know, just to close it, and you could open it if that is what you prefer. It's long sleeve. It's well tailored, just like the other one too, that has the buttons design. Well tailored, good quality, good material, and they are very affordable. Also, they have an extra hook here just in case something accidentally happened to the one they put at the front of it from the factory. You can actually replace it back, and inside is lined. Very, very neat, no threading here and there, good quality, good tailoring, good material. I just love the way it is made. All these clothes are made. This is size small and it's black. Also, I'm going to be showing you how. And here is the next one. This is also a cardigan. You all can see, I told you there are things you could use to dress up for this fall. This is absolutely beautiful. I tell you ladies, the quality is so amazing. Like, it feels so good. Look at that. And this color, it's what you can actually use to dress up anything. Like, it sounds like a neutral color to me. That's why I chose this color. It has this 3 buttons right here. The buttons they use are so beautiful. Very, very beautiful buttons. I don't know if you all can see how beautiful that is. 2 pockets at the front. It's a cardigan with a design going on at the front. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Ladies, so this is the last item in the bag, and this, oh yeah, you can't tell me that I wasn't right about these. Are things that you could use to feature, I mean, to transition into fall, into winter. Look at this. This is a jacket, all right, with a false fur right on the neck. This is to keep you warm, right? Am I right or wrong? Let me know in the comment section. All right, so this is size small as well. It has a zipper at the front. You have this button right here, and it feels very good, good quality, good, tailored perfectly. See that it has this zipper at the side too. I want to see if the pockets are functional. Yes, they are. They are not just there for design. So we have it on the other side too. Look at that. Am I ready for fall? Yes. Am I ready for winter? Yes. All right, ladies, I'm so excited with all of this amazing product. Thank you so much, Lookbook Store and GRAPENT, for reaching out to me to try your products. This concluded the end of this video, ladies. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video, and don't forget, I will leave every link to every clothing item that I featured on this video in the description box. If you're interested in any one of it, I will encourage you to please check them out. Lookbook Store and GRAPENT, check them out. The qualities are amazing and they're very affordable too. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.